Recent leaks have confirmed that the upcoming Galaxy S24 series will feature a handy emergency texting via satellite feature, similar to the iPhone's capability. When you're in an area without a mobile signal and need emergency help, the phone will utilize satellite connectivity to send an emergency text message, complete with your location, to emergency teams. This feature is set to debut with the Galaxy S24 and is expected to work much like recent iPhones. It's especially valuable in remote areas where regular cell networks are unreliable. The technology behind this, called 5G and 10, enables two-way satellite communication and may be integrated into the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. However, its availability may roll out gradually. There's also an intriguing rumor about the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen, with reports suggesting it could reach an impressive brightness of up to 2,600 nits. This would make it one of Samsung's brightest screens ever, potentially outshining competitors like the iPhone 15 Pro and Google Pixel 8 Pro in certain scenes, especially in HDR content. Keep in mind that while the numbers sound impressive, brightness perception isn't linear. What are your thoughts on these exciting developments for the Galaxy S24 series? Share your opinions in the comments.